Shubor Nagashlam Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Jala uba Lakmen Ramboi hene kesngi ulayatu ba ki exam jong ki kena ki ba puli ya ka SSLC but HSSLC ka ba lasdang hene kesngi kalayaj ba yaj renti klem kano ke jingthot shu la berabru ba nagliang ki center ba per ki la penbit penbiang na ka benta ka jingsngan jong ki kena Nakaliang uni menteri ula ongro ba habayadei bat kito ki kena ki bamsam lala bantho ya ke exam nakadaw jong jing syakta haka kelam corona katanat kan sa penlong biang ya ke exam bakerpang nakabenta jongki
Parok ki jaka ke exam ka yebe.
Well, how many students are appearing for?
I didn't have the information till now. I didn't have with me, but the only information I got is that the examination goes on smoothly.
And is there any cases of this COVID thing detected among students? Or?
No, as of now, no information yet regarding that from any center in the state. Whatever being need to be done, the officer in charge of the examination center has done that. The officer in charge has done it. The only thing is that the main important point is that exam pass on smoothly.
Some of the SSLC students, quite a number of students have written to you requesting the government to conduct the board exam online.
Exam will go on as planned. There is no change as of now. Necessary measure which need to be done, they will do it accordingly. So, no, we are very much concerned about the situation, but the thing is that we have to move forward. So we are doing it, and moreover, as I have said, that those who cannot do the exam, the MBOs will reconduct for those students who could not appear due to this effect of this pandemic, or whether they are in the containment zone or anything related to this situation. So I think it is clear. I wish that it will go on smoothly till the end. Moreover, I wish that the student will do well, and we also will, from the government, will try to do whatever necessary to ease the situation for the student.
Some of the schools which has detected COVID cases. So, what about the examination center in those schools? Are they?
See, even if it affect also, it will not affect the whole school. It will affect only some portion. So, plan A, plan B, plan C, they have already done that. So,
examination, there is no change in the examination center?
No, as of now, no report of that. The report I got is that everything goes on smoothly, that's all. No, you see, micro management will be done at the school level because this situation, it differs from one place to another place. So we cannot take one decision fits all. So we have to see